For today's easy recipe, I'll be sharing one of my favorite frostings for cakes and cupcakes, Espresso Buttercream. To begin, place 1/2 cup of softened salted butter into the bowl of a stand mixer. Fitted with the paddle attachment, mix this on low for about 2 minutes or until the butter is nice and light and airy and well creamed. Next, we're going to add our powdered sugar. I'm adding 2 cups, but I'm going to do this in 2 additions so that I don't make a mess. I'm going to mix well between each addition and ensure that I'm also scraping down my bowl so that everything is well incorporated. Now I'm going to add my remaining powdered sugar and repeat this process. As always, all of these instructions as well as the full written recipe are also down below. Lastly, I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of espresso powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of heavy cream. Mix this on low until everything is well incorporated, and then increase the speed to medium-low and whip your frosting for 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and light and airy in texture and color. As you can see here, we have a nice light whipped frosting that's speckled with espresso and it has a lovely hint of vanilla flavor. This frosting is the perfect consistency for piping on cupcakes and is also excellent for icing cakes. If you have enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe, and I'm going to link some more videos here for you. Thanks for watching.